We are WEBA and welcome back to a new video. As many of you already know, on this channel we create tutorials to solve common problems with electric devices. And today we're working with a printer. And many of you may have this issue. Your computer shows that your printer has not ink, or that it cannot print anymore even after replacing the cartridges. The problem continues, everything looks correct, the cartridges are installed properly and they are full, but the system still says that there is no ink. Okay, so why this happens? This usually happens because the printer get confused. It has previous cartridges, now it has new ones, or maybe you changed your ink type and the printer did not properly detect it. So in this video I will show you how to reset your printer. This will allow it to recognize the cartridges again and print normally. Step number 1, preparation. First, make sure your printer is not connected to your computer. It should only be connected to the power source, not USB connection. Step number 2, bottoms. Now we are going to focus on this area. We have 2 bottoms. These methods apply to Canon PIXMA printers. Step number 3, reset process. First step, turn off the printer completely. Now turn it on while holding this bottom at the same time. Press the other bottom 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then release. The printer will begin the reset process. Now we are going to wait. If it is normal, if the printer prints something during the process, just let it continue. Wait until the light becomes stable. Okay, step number 4, second sequence. Once the light is stable, press the same bottom again 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now turn off the printer. And the expected results, the printer should print a pitch similar to this one, and it should shows 000. That's 0. Okay, so this confirms that the reset was successfully done. If it does not work, sometimes the process may freeze or not complete. If that happens, turn off the printer completely and repeat the process again. Turn it on and press 5 times, wait, and then repeat this sequence. Once the page prints correctly, your printer is fully reset. This means you can now print again without issue. And that is for today's video. I hope this video helps you a lot and solve your problems. If it did, please leave us a like, leave a comment, and share this video. Also remember that we have more videos about common printers problems and their solutions. Remember, we are WEBA, and thank you so much for watching this video. Take care, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.